This is our 2018 McLaren 570S Spider. This example is finished in Curaçao blue and is fitted with the diamond cut 10-spoke lightweight wheels with carbon ceramic brakes and McLaren orange calipers. All exterior components are finished in palladium with the exception of the MSO defined carbon fiber tonneau and rear deck cover. We have fitted this car with the Novitec carbon fiber rear wing, lower ring springs, and wheel spacers. Around back, you will find the sports exhaust system. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a jet black and almond white leather interior with the power adjusted, heated memory sports seats. This car has been fitted with the upgraded Bowers & Wilkins audio system and the front axle lift.